How's it going, everybody? So you join me down Ludham Bridge at the moment. I'm sort of running about chasing videos and stuff in between big old thunderstorms and heavy pouring rain and stuff like that at the moment, but it's good fun. It's nice to be out. It's actually the first day of the fishing season today down on the Broad, so there's a few people out fishing. I'll probably be out myself at some point as well. But yeah, let's go and have a little wander and let's see what boats we can see and see what's changed and see what's happening, shall we? So welcome in, I'm Carl. Let's go. Nice big boat coming through, just missing the top of the bridge. Very close. As you can see down on the left here, where the measuring pole is, we are over the edges a bit with all this extra rain and wind and stuff we're getting, pushing the tides up. But over in the boatyard on the other side and that, we're not going over the edges and we're not filling up all the yards and stuff like we were before a few months back. Got a few boats moored up along the side here today. That one, just second one in, is called Last Chance. Can't see the name on this one here. There's a few coming down river. That's Ludham Bridge boatyard over there. Bit windy today, but as you can see the skies are nice and blue with some white fluffy clouds. So let's have a wander through this lot. As you can see, it's muddy and puddles and wet long grass everywhere at the moment. We're going to wander up onto the bridge, see what we can see on the other side and see what's coming, see who's doing what. Look over in the distance over there, you can see that we're going to get another really heavy downpour probably the next 10-15 minutes. It's quite a strange day, to be fair, because it's boiling hot like this. I'm in my t-shirt and then all of a sudden I'm going to have to run and hide because it's going to absolutely hammer down. It's raining so heavy it actually hurts. So there ain't no boats coming down the river that way at the moment. So let's cross the road. See what's happening over this side. We've got a work barge in down the side there on the right. Chap down there fishing. Some holiday boats, plenty of boats down the river. So let's wander down the other side. There's a boat there coming up river. We'll see if we can get that one. I'd say there's plenty of people fishing. I haven't seen anyone catch anything yet, but I haven't been there long. Thank you.
You're welcome, you old fella.
Electric hire boat going through the bridge. So the boat traffic is a little bit quiet, so we're going to go for a little wander along the banks, see what boats we can find. Nice big slide roof holiday boat there. Concerto. Plenty of ducks about. They're all over the place. Two more fishermen over there. Caribbean Light 2, Herbert Woods, Richardson's boat. Most of these are all big holiday cruises. People out for a week, 2 weeks having fun. The smaller one over there. The big Broadsman here. More people fishing down this end. Quite popular on the beginning of the season. Doing some work over the back here in the ditches for looks of things. We'll have to have a look at that if we go down the other side. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 chaps fishing along the other side there. That bad weather looks like that's going off in the distance. Another big Richardson's boat here. And then we've got one coming down river. See if we can get it, shall we? Definitely dark over towards the seas and the beaches and stuff. How you doing there? Eastern Light, this boat. Herbert Woods. More people fishing down here. 1, 2, and 3. And a nice wooden sailing boat. Lovely. Looks nice downriver. A bit quiet at the moment. Still more people fishing down this end. Silver coral. Just go wide in case something comes around the corner. Oh, it's starting to rain on me. Nice big boat. Platinum Light 1. So I've had to quickly, hastily run back to the car. It's absolutely hammering down. And normally I don't mind a bit of rain and stuff, but obviously the filming gear, if that gets soaking wet, that burns out and I have to replace it again, and that's not cheap, so I don't want to be doing that. So I'm just hiding in the car for a minute. I'm pretty sure I'll go over the next 10 minutes or so. I'll be able to get back out there and find you some more boats. Strange old day, because one minute you got this absolutely hammering down rain, and then the next minute that's bright blue skies, red hot sun. I mean, I'm literally in a t-shirt and I'm boiling, but that rain absolutely soaks you. It's just coming down so heavy, big drops. Yeah, that just soaks you. This one's not coming under the bridge, it's going to pull in over on the bank there by the looks of things. Just trying to navigate the fisherman bullets things.
Fisherman.
The old Ranger boat. Nice old Richardson's holiday cruiser coming through. The weather's still going for it. We're getting red hot sun like we got now, and then we're getting these black clouds come over, and all of a sudden that just absolutely pours for 10 minutes, and then it all goes away again. Gem 2.